Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that just tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the media call, ringtone notification and alarm volume panels. We can just change them by slide to the left or to the right side this green dot. Also here we can use the Dolby atoms. We can just set it, but I don't want to do that here right now. We can also turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, set this start and end time, the status shadow of don't disturb off. Also we can just here use the multi-volume. We can turn it on or turn it off. Let's go back. Here we can change the ringtones. This device have two SIM slots, so we can use just different ringtones on each of the SIM cards. Here we can see the live caption. We can also use them. We can just turn on them by click on the switcher. To turn them off, we should click on the switcher again. Also we can here switch the media settings. We can pin media player here just to turn off or turn on. Click once on the switcher by the same way to show media recommendations. Also we have here the vibration vocals. We can switch it from never to always vibrate and vibrate first, then ring gradually. Here we can also activate a feature shortcut to prevent ringing. We can also switch the default notification and alarm sounds, and also we can here turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, the outgoing call vibration, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, the touch sounds, touch vibration, and power on or off sounds here. So just to turn on or turn off all of the switchers, we should click here once on each of the switcher. We can also pick up device to silence. Just to do that, we should click here on the switcher. To turn it off on, we should click on the switcher again. We can also flip the device to use the to turn on the don't disturb mode, and we can see here the media controls. We can turn them on or turn them off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.